Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a marketing case study using HubSpot Academy learning step by step clearly. To set up a marketing case study using HubSpot Academy learnings, begin by selecting a relevant topic. Identify a specific marketing challenge or success story from your organization. Gather all necessary data and materials related to the case study, including analytics, reports, and qualitative feedback. Outline the structure of your case study. Start with an introduction that includes the background of your topic and its significance. Next, describe the challenge faced by your company or the market condition addressed. Follow this with the objectives set to overcome the challenge. Detail the strategies and tactics implemented. Use HubSpot Academy principles to guide your marketing strategies. Include the tools and methodologies applied during this phase. Elaborate on how these strategies aligned with your goals and contributed to solving the challenge. Incorporate relevant data to showcase the effectiveness of your strategies. Present metrics such as conversion rates, engagement scores, or ROI. Use visuals such as graphs or charts to enhance understanding. Transition to discuss any obstacles encountered during implementation and how they were overcome. Highlight key takeaways or insights gained from the experience. Conclude with the results achieved and their impact on the business. Ensure that the tone is professional yet engaging throughout the case study. Edit your case study for clarity, ensuring it's easily digestible for your audience. Finally, design a visually appealing layout if you plan to present this case study in a document or online format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.